don't believe in love, but you can fall in love with wrong person in real life. He sent me a message randomly. She saw his message but ignored it. He sent her message again. She ignored again. Someone told him about her. He sent the message again, but this time he wrote the name of this third person. And that man was much closer to her. She answered him and asked, "Why did you send me messages again and again?" "Nothing special. I just want to know about such people. That's why I text you." "But I think you have a narrow mind that does not like talking to anyone." When she heard these words from this stranger, she became silent and did not answer again, because he thought, she is a moody and attitude girl. Even so, he kept texting her, "Hi, hello, good morning, good evening, etc." She just replied him occasionally. He asked her, "What are you doing?" She answered him as same, "Nothing special, I'm free." Because this job is absolutely free and waste of time. She think about that. The boy desired to talk to her daily, but the girl did not like this. She responded once or twice a month. And one day she said goodbye forever, and "I will not talk to you again." When the boy saw her message, he immediately replied her, "Please listen, please do not go. Listen to me." The girl was very innocent and sincere, but the boy was just used to time pass activity. After she saw his messages again, all his words were pleading. After that, there was talk for some time less and some time more. They got to know each other. She told him everything is true, but the boy changed things every time. Maybe he was not loyal. Time passed like that. One-sided talk began to move forward. He said to her to meet him, but she avoided him every time. It was not at all pleasing to hear her narrow-minded and old-fashioned girl, yet she listened quietly. Whenever he resisted, she would confuse him and change the subject. One day she felt that this heart should not be confused. Don't get caught up in his words, and he disconnected thinking. But now this time she texted to see the new way of talking of him. Then it happened that in a moment she was shocked, and the person she saw began to appear in real life. She removed his glasses from his eyes and wiped his eyes again, but it was just a trick of the eye. Her heart was signaled to her once today that she was moving forward from where it will be difficult to handle. The first thing he did that day, immediately after she finished his engagement of work, was to talk her very politely. Just for a moment, but a little used to it, engaged herself and got back to her life. After 3 years later, she texted him back one day, but no answer was found. Waited for few days, She was not waiting for him. She was not waiting for him to fall in love, but she was watching him claim of love. And now she was stronger than ever. A week later, he got the answer. His habits were the same old. He wanna find someone who loves him, and he himself is free like a wanderer. She did not come back because she was in love, but she heard that breaking someone's heart is a great sin. This time too she came not to impress him, but to test him. She had changed a lot, and on the other hand he was also human. His habits were the same old. He wanna find someone who loves him, and he himself is free like a wanderer. She did not come back because she was in love, but she heard that breaking someone's heart is a great sin. This time too she came not to impress him but to test him. If his heart is broken, let him walk on the path, and if I have found the path, let me rest. After some days talking, he said again, I love you. She gives the same answer again, I don't believe on love, don't say it again. When he said her again, she asked him a question, how much you love me? He answered after some thought and slowly started trying to change things. I'll make you do lots of shopping. Although love and shopping are two different things. Shopping needs of life as much as you want. No problem. But love is lifelong relation, mutual respect and esteem. Then again she asked him a question. Well, what can you do for me? He had no answer and went offline. Another new question, what can you give me? He replied in opposite answer. What do you want? We will both be happy. We know quite well each other. You are educated. Although he could say that too. The greatest happiness my life is to have you, and happiness never ends. Without you, I can't live happy. She still laughed and said, what will you do if I leave you? You will stop eating and drinking, you will be sad. He did not answer anything special, but said, I will be sad just for a few days. I don't feel sad at all. And I will stop eating and drinking and take only tea. And I don't take tension at all. After listening these words, she said, it's really? So he changed his mind and said, I was joking. Why would you leave me? Here was the question of her whole life. Slowly the time passed. She remained silent despite knowing everything. And whenever he said something, she would answer him. She was stronger and more aware than ever. Whenever he talked, she would answer him and he would go offline because he did not have an answer. He would answer the question by thinking with a new excuse. Someone was sick and sometimes busy with business. The girl leave her, ever and forever. And don't think about that. She has broken his heart. These wandering temperaments directly spoil the lives of simple and innocent girls. If they are caught up in these words, please strengthen yourself and come to real life. Be realistic.